Okay, this is the initial video for the homies, and for whoever the fuck else wants to tag along. We're just this is what I'm working with, and this is what the fellas and I are about. So here's the goat. I'm just tightening up an exhaust thing. No worries. RC shit. Anyways, here it is. This is what it's about. Poostang. Just got the coilovers on it, the front and rear. They're adjusted. Yeah. So anyhow, this is the bear with me. This is the intro to what we're trying to do here. Slide around, skid around. Soren, Trevor, Mike, all the homies, guys and gals, whoever the fuck else. Like I said, fails to mentions. All right, might be. Here we go. Camera here. So there's the coilovers. This is had to repair some shock tower shit when I got her. This is coilovers are in. Yeah. Diff's welded up. Could put pictures of that. I mean, I resealed it, so minimal stuff. Welded diff. It's got X pipes on it. Coilovers are done. You know, cheapos. Cheapos.